Hey guys, this is Second One. So as you can see right now, we'll be replacing the SPen, this small portion here. And if I just click on the screen, you can see, not sure if you can see it, but you can see that the pen does bend, and there is some grayish look to it, which if I just push it a bit, you can see that it comes out somehow. It may be usable for now, but after a few months it may wear out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the S Pen, the small portion. What we're gonna do is we're gonna show you two different types of S Pen clips. So you have the regular white color, which is gonna be the plastic one, not that hard. So this is the first one which came out of the box, and if I just bend it a little, you will see that the middle portion is trying to come out. So it is still usable, but not for long. And this is the new one that came inside the packet, and as well as this one, which is the gray color. And this version is a little more harder, and you get that clip noise. Now let us try with the white one. So we'll put the white one here, just like that, and as you can see, there's no clip noise, and it is like a plastic feeling. So if you apply too much pressure, it will bend a bit. With the gray one, it will not bend because it is more harder and more durable, so this can run for a long usage. Anyways, you guys decide which one you want. For me, for long usage, I will use the gray one. For white color, I will just keep it for later, just in case if the gray color wears out. So just like that, much better. And let us just try it out. So we'll just insert the S Pen inside the phone and take it out, and let us apply some pressure. As you can see, it is perfect and no complaints at all. And I do recommend you guys to test it out, and I do recommend you guys to apply the gray clip. It will have a great sensitive point, greater pressure while you write it with the S note. Anyways guys, that's basically it. If you like greater gray, use the card one. If you want softer light, then use the white, but it may wear out and after 6 months or so, depending on your usage. Anyways guys, that's basically it. If you like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what kind of videos you want next, and peace out.